Hey guys, LechK here. Just a quick video about changing your spark plugs. I'm currently doing a change here. I have a separate video on how to do this complete change. This is a Jeep Grand Cherokee I'm working on. But question that comes up a lot, I found myself searching before as well. Dielectric grease. Do you use this on the thread of your spark plugs when installing them? And some people will say yes, some people will say no. I did some research, and for example, for LechK spark plugs, and I'm pretty sure it goes for any modern spark plugs, you do not need to put any grease on here. This is already specifically coated with what needs to be coated with, so when you install it and torque it down, it has a good connection and none of the grease is necessary. The grease you can use if you are replacing your boots, which I did in my case, and you can put a thin layer of grease right in here just to have a nice clean connection. And that's about all you're going to use this using spark plugs. Another reason why you shouldn't be using this, and I'm not making this up, I did some research as well on it, do it yourself please, I'm not trying to preach, but when you coat this and you torque it down, it's gonna mess with your torque settings, so you might over torque it because of the grease or whatever you put in on here. So my opinion, my feedback from the research I found out, guys, don't put any dielectric grease on your spark plug threading. Install them as is, just like this, and torque it down to the correct specs, which in my case here is 13 foot-pounds. You torque this down and you are all set to go. No grease required, guys. Hope this is helpful. Please subscribe, follow, check out my how-to videos on the car repair and so on. And any questions, feedback for others, please share. I don't know everything, so if anybody has any feedback, please definitely share it so we can all learn from it. Thank you, guys. Have a good day.